first we always have to start with our customers. What they're looking to do is to really move at an unprecedented speed. They need the agility to be able to come up with services fast and be able to roll them out quickly. And SDN, NFV, cloud, orchestration are all these tools that they can use to achieve a business purpose.
For the last 20, 30 years, it has been a very data-centric world, but as we move forward, it's going to be in an application-centric world.
Businesses need to transform the way they operate. So the whole operating model evolution, we touch about that a lot. I think that's happening. So the internal changes, I think, are well in progress at many organizations.
We believe that as a telco, we need to embrace other providers. We need to, and by other providers, I mean other players that ride and reside on top of our connectivity services, be it international large OTT players, even domestic startups. We need to start figuring out a way to work together to really have a real relationship, value-creating relationship.
We're moving into a new phase, and this new phase of on-demand service delivery through network programmability requires a new view on your network, on your resources, and on the way you deliver them and monetize them.
The changes in purchasing and the changes in deployment bring about changes in operations. There needs to be a review of operations, how operators go about deploying services, how they go about building services. It should be much faster for them to be able to deploy and deliver new services, and that's certainly one of the goals of SDN and NFV.
It's fundamentally about changing how they're going to work, moving from the methods of waterfall development, which are very long development cycles followed by very long test cycles, to much shorter cycles that involve the customer.
At the future world, they're going to need someone who's going to be able to do the network connectivity for them, and that's much more than just providing a network.
NFV is something which will be established in 2020. So I think, yes, both the core network side as the radio side will be based on NFV. And I think that SDN will also play an important role in establishing new control paradigms. So maybe mobility management could be based on SDN here as well. Yeah.
SDN has allowed us to have different conversations with the customers. Right? Historically, as carriers, we go and we sell a circuit from A to B. And now when we go in and we talk to customers, we're talking about how can their applications, how can we help them meet their specific business needs?
NFV and SDN are not the end game. They're just the first step into moving into a software-centric world of software-centric services running on open compute platforms. The way to harness modern innovation in computers and software is with these models of SDN and NFV.
What we're at Cisco doing is taking all of these capabilities and turning them into a business value that we can bring to our customers.